I've been on ghosts since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. I'm talking day one. Yeah, yeah. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal. We been at toys.
All right, let's give this a shot. If I can figure out how to get into the car. And I don't know what happened, but apparently this is how the Meta glasses record, or there's some setting for aspect ratio that I missed, and the default is some weird vertical. So I had to, stretch it basically and increase the percentage for the viewable screen here. So just know you're not getting the full picture, but it's not a really good picture either. I had to make sure it was recording, but I couldn't look at the rearview mirror because it's on camera mode right now. All right, so we're gonna give this a shot, see how it goes. I'm testing out not only the Meta glasses, but also the point of view where they sit on my face and how this drive looks. Well, part of the test is not just the POV, but I do want to know. So like right now, my head is sitting back on the headrest, and I didn't think about it until I picked up the glasses. I was driving back, and I was like, if I sit like this, you're probably going to be staring at the damn headliner. Whereas if I had a GoPro, or really more so an Insta360 on 3S, then I could angle it down. I could sit like this, angle it down, and still be good. It would be further out because it'd probably be on the brim of a hat, but then it probably has a wider angle lens, so it would really kind of like balance itself out. Otherwise, I need to sit with my head not on the headrest and purposely focus on looking forward. Now we got that. We also got the audio. I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm trying to record audio through the glasses, and I'm also recording it through my phone with a microphone attached. And to compare the differences, because it's like, okay, well, if I got the POV, but we need the sound, right? And yeah, come to find out, the audio microphone on the Ray-Bans isn't that good, so we're going to use the recorded audio from the from this microphone from my Samsung instead. I mean, who cares about a Z06 without the sound? Granted, I got a Tascam, so I could run that and actually get true binaural audio and like really try to fully immerse the drive. These glasses only record 3 minutes at a time. It's either 1 minute or 3 minutes. I did 3 minutes. Trying to find somewhere to make a U-turn, or really just turn around. So this is actually, let me turn this AC down because I don't know how it's going to affect the microphone. This is whatever audio I end up with, whether it be Meta, whether it be my phone, my Samsung Galaxy with this Lark, I think it's Lark, or Hollyland mic. And I'm running it on my Samsung because I do not like the way the audio comes through on the iPhone with this microphone. Windows up. My seat cooler is on, the AC's on low, but hopefully there's no interference. And the mic is attached to my shirt. The mic's attached to my shirt on the inside of my shirt, and I'm not running a wind diffuser or a dead cat or anything like that. So there you go. So we're gonna now roll the windows down. We're going to test this mic. We're going to test the wind. We're going to test the algorithm. We're going to test somebody's patience here. And we're going to test the next 3 minutes of recording time. And we're going to test the next 3 minutes of recording time. And here's the conclusion, folks. Maybe POV driving videos just aren't in my future because I'm absolutely, completely disappointed in the performance of these expensive ass glasses. And I have already packaged them back up and returned them back to Best Buy. And another thing, I got tired of editing this video. I cut it short. That was also what pissed me off and made me return those glasses, is because the files that I was using or used to make this video are it's the only time I've ever had anything crash my MacBook Pro and Final Cut Pro. Like, maybe it wasn't the files. Maybe it was just a random fluke, but I have never had that issue before. And I can just tell you guys right now, there's no way that this process, being as involved and as painful and as unenjoyable and annoying and any other word that you could use to describe it could be, would make me want to continue doing it more in the future. My other consideration and option was an Insta360 Go 3S or something like that. But for the price and the hassle and countless reviews stating how it continuously overheats, it's a no for me, dog. So I've got one more idea. I'll try to make that happen in the future. But for now, no go on POV driving and Meta Ray-Bans, at least. And also, I would say, and you guys let me know what you think, the audio could be better overall, especially to capture the sound of that flat plane crank V8. So I owe you that one.